ever opened your Facebook dashboard only to see a scary red warning saying monetization restricted or your page is not eligible? I know exactly how that feels. The confusion, the frustration, even the fear that all your hard work might be wasted. I remember staring at my phone thinking, why me? I didn't even break any rule. But I actually did. That was the reason my profile was restricted. But here's the truth. Almost every creator out there goes through this same problem. And the good news is that you can fix it. Yeah, you heard me. You can fix it. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how I resolved my monetization issue and got my page back in 5 minutes. I repeat, in 5 minutes. So if you are tired of waiting or you don't know what to do, stay with me to the end of this video because I promise this guide will save your page.
Okay, you log into your Facebook profile, click on this icon here, or you click on these 3 lines, click on professional dashboard, click on your profile name here, then particular profile is monetization issue. Then you click on monetization to check what issue is showing. If it shows violation or restricted, or here it shows your monetization is limited because of a local legal requirement or government request. What you need to do, whatever violation, whatever it is, just click on find out more. It will either bring you up to something like disagree with decision or request review. So if it's option here is request review, you click on request review, then type in your appeal. Please, when typing in your appeal, be politely. Don't appeal with anger or blame. Just be clear and polite. When you are done appealing, you click on submitted. So, but for this profile, what it brought was disagree with decision instead of request review. So if it actually brought something like this in your own profile, that's good. Then click on disagree with decision. Then click on submit. Has gotten your feedback. You just have to wait. Meta will email you or they will send you a notification when they review your case. And that
If this video helped you understand how to fix your monetization issue, please don't keep it to yourself. Share it with another creator who is struggling. In fact, share it with everyone. Drop a heart in the comment section if you have ever faced this same issue. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Chinazaassumptatutorial, for more tutorials that actually worked. Until then, see you in my next video. Bye.